Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you fix for the errors which occur while making NFC payment on a POS device through Google Pay using an Android mobile phone. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Razu Manthanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Viewers, you can see that the petrol pump has an NFC payment facility. I'm going to pay the petrol bill using the Read.Pay virtual card through Google Pay on my Android mobile phone. You can see that I tapped to pay, but the error popped up. In your case, the error might be some other, but to fix these errors, what you have to do is go to the settings of your mobile phone, and then you have to tap on connections. Then viewers, you can see that the toggle of the NFC and contactless payments is enabled. What you have to do is tap on NFC and contactless payments text, and then you can see the text at the bottom which is contactless payments. You have to tap on it, and then viewers, you can see in my case the default payment service which is selected right now is bottom. So in your case it might be some other. What you have to do is simply select the Google Pay. At the bottom you can see others text. You have to then tap on it, and then you have to see here that the contactless payments, which in my case are three. One is nearby, second is Google Wallet, third one is Android digital car key. Make sure that the toggle buttons of these are enabled. Now viewers, if I try to pay the bill using tap and pay, you can see that the bill has been paid successfully.
Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell now to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.